Good afternoon, welcome to CRS2 class. From our exposition, CRS2 centers on New Testament. And our topic this afternoon is the emergence of written gospel. During Jesus' activities in Israel, there was no written documents. There was no document that was compiled as the Bible. And as a matter of fact, there was no book called Bible. What was available was Torah that was written on tablets. So the first thing we want to look at is reasons for the delay of written documents. One of the reasons that was put forward by scholars was because of the presence of Jesus Christ. Meaning that Jesus Christ was with the apostles. So the fact that there will be no need for them to document anything or pencil down any idea of such. Then two, another reason that was put forward by scholars during this period, during that period also, was because of handmade papers were very expensive, because during that period, particularly the Torah that was written by Moses was handmade product. So, and talking about the ink, the tablets, and every other thing that's involved cost a lot of money. So the apostle decided to neglect the idea of documentation. And that's why all the teachings of Jesus Christ was not documented in any book. Then another reason put forward by this scholar, by scholars, is that the apostle have pressing assignments, and the pressing assignment before them was what? Preaching. That was the pressing assignment. So they are interested in preaching. They are not interested in writing. That was one of the reasons. Because they felt that the primary assignment given to them by Jesus Christ, their master, was to preach. So they don't have time to write. And then another reason, the apostle believed that the second coming of Jesus Christ will be very short. That soon, or very soon, Jesus Christ will come again. So that was their belief. So they believe, no, instead of writing, and writing will take long time or long process. So they decided to go keep the message to themselves, then preach it orally. So it was basically oral teaching. So the apostle go from house to house, or move from house to house, from city to city, during this period, after the death of Jesus. So they felt that Jesus Christ will come back very soon. So not only today, that about 2,000 years ago that Jesus Christ died, it's just to come. So another reason put forward by scholars that caused the delay of the written gospel was that the apostle thought that we are already in the end time, that end time has come. So no chance that the only available opportunity for everybody at that time is for them to go around and preach the gospel to every soul, and then let them repent. So these are the reasons. And that's why at the time they felt that there will be need for them to write. There will be need for them to document facts. Are you getting it? It was already 1,900 years. 1,900 years at that time. And I told you that it was 1,500 years before Christ was born, when Moses compiled the Torah. You can see. So properly we'll be talking about 3,400 years up to date. Are you getting it? Before they now felt that there will be need for them to write. So the second aspect of the lesson this afternoon is reasons for written document. One of the reasons for compilation of the Bible is because of the delay of Jesus Christ. They felt that, this man that say is going to come back, that our master says is going to come back very soon. After many years, and I felt, oh, since this man is not going to come back as they thought or as they expected, let us begin to write. So they began to write. They began to write. That was the reason why they start writing. Because Jesus Christ delayed. And up to date, Jesus Christ died about 2,000 plus ago. And yet he has not come back. So, let alone that they did not write, the one will be reading today. So that was the reason why this began to write. The another reason why they start writing is because of death. Death. They started wearing some of them. Some of the apostles start dying. Are you getting it? Apostle Paul died. And many others. So they now feel, since that is coming and we are advanced at age. So and this message that will be given to people orally. Are you getting it? And I feel, if there is no written document, there will be no opportunity for them to spread the gospel again, or the gospel will not expand to uttermost part of the world, or people will not have access to read from their own experience. So what was penciled down by the help of canonicity in the New Testament was the experience of the apostles when they were with Jesus Christ. So because of that, they start writing. The other reason is that the persecution of the apostles. So during Herod time, particularly in the Roman Empire, there was a lot of persecution. A lot of Christians faced a lot of persecution. Saul was a persecutor. So because of this, so many preachers went to different cities, different towns, off or beyond Palestine. As a matter of fact, some of them enter Ethiopia. Imagine. So in the course of preaching, in the course of the persecution, they trek in preaching the gospel and enter Ethiopia, very close to Nigeria here. So they now find out, since the persecution, and a particular preacher cannot handle a whole city or a whole town. So they now find that there is need for them to write. And that's how they began to write. Are you getting it? The other reason why we have written document today is to preserve the stories of Jesus Christ, or to preserve the gospel, to preserve it. And the reason for this is because during the persecution, a lot of preachers came up. A lot of preachers came up, and a lot of writers came up during that period. So in order not to give room for false teaching or for negative teaching, or in order not to mislead the followers, that was the reason why we wrote. So that people can have access to the undiluted word. And that was the reason why the Bible was compiled. So in our next class, we will be looking at the socio-political system or structure of Israel. Thank you.